Atul Morwale, and today date is 18th of January 2022, and now we have discussed about the non-access specifier in Java. So Java provides uh, two types of specifiers such as access specifier and non-access specifier. Access specifier defines the access level of any object. Java provides non-access specifier such as static, final, abstract, synchronized, etc. So now we discuss one by one. First is static. So static is a keyword. It is the most important keyword. It is used for memory management because it creates memory only once when we created the object of static. The static keyword is used in variable, method, inner class, and block. So now we discuss one by one. First is a static method. When we declare the static keyword before method, it is known as a static method. The most common example of a static method is main method. The JVM provides main method static because we can directly access the static object in this method. So now next is a static variable. When we declare the static keyword before variable, then it is known as a static variable. Static variable is a class level variable. So it is access from all classes. It is access in whole classes. We can directly access the static variable in static field. So now next is a static block. When a block is declared with static keyword, then it is known as static block. The static block provides one more specific quality, that is before the main method the static block is executed. When we want to execute the code before main method, then we can use static block. Now next is inner class. The static keyword is also used before inner classes because of we can access the property of inner classes directly in static field. Now next is abstract keyword. So abstract keyword is used with method and classes. Now we discuss these one by one. When we use the abstract keyword before a class, then it is known as abstract class. In abstract class there are concrete as well as abstract method. Now next is abstract method. Abstract method is when we declare the abstract keyword before a method, then it is known as abstract method. The abstract method is no body. When we created the method using abstract, then the particular class is compulsory abstract. Now next is we can achieve the abstraction 100% abstraction in interfaces. In abstraction there is a inheritance method overriding is compulsory achieved in abstraction. Now next is a final keyword. Final keyword is used before a class, variable, and a method. Now we discuss one by one. Final keyword, if we declare the final keyword before inner class, then we cannot override it because we can't change on it. When we declare the final keyword before a method, then we cannot the override this method, because that is we cannot achieve the inheritance or abstraction or or a, or and abstraction in a final uh, in final keyword. uh, Next is a final variable. When we declare the final keyword before a variable, then it is a it is known as final variable. We can't the value of this variable, because it is a final final variable. So now next is a synchronized non-access specifier. Synchronized is used when the uh, two threads are passed to JVM at a time. Then synchronized keyword managed them. So that is all about the non-access specifier in Java. So thank you for this video.